The Meghalaya Asha Workers Union on the 7th of January 2026 announced that accredited social health activist workers across the state would go on a temporary work suspension starting from the 8th of January this year in protest against the non-payment of incentives for the past 6 to 7 months. Speaking to the media today, Association advisor Sony said the Asha workers had initially planned to suspend work after the 19th of December 2025, but the decision was deferred due to the holiday period. She stated that the prolonged delay in the disbursement of incentives had compelled the workers to proceed with the strike from the 8th of January this year. Kharjana said there are over 7,000 Asha workers in Meghalaya and noted that incentives, which are usually paid on a regular basis, have remained unpaid for several months, causing hardship to the workers. She attributed the delay to changes in the payment system, adding that the issue should have been resolved within a month. She further said the temporary suspension of work would continue until the pending incentives are released.
After the EC meetings of the Meghalaya Asha workers, it was held on the 11th of December. We have already decided. Before that, we have already handed over the letter to the mission director, National Health Mission. So after that, we got the answer that because of being deleted of the payment incentive to the Asha on behalf of the union itself, means on behalf of the states, Meghalaya Asha Workers Union, we have already taken the decision that will take, because after the deadline, after we giving the deadline on the 19th of December, until unless that they pay the incentive to the Asha, we have already taken the decision that will do the suspension. Like what I mean to say is like we'll just take a rest for a while. I mean until unless that the government will pay the incentive to the Asha to the whole states, then we have already decided that we will not we will not go for work, we will not do any incentives, either with the activities or the paperwork. That is the information to all the states of the Asha of the state. What I mean to say, the Asha of the state. So since today I've come here to make a declaration that from tomorrow itself, that means it will be the 8th of January 2026, that the Asha all I mean in the state will take rest for sometimes. I mean for maybe it may be for 1 week or any time, any indefinite strike, that we will not will not do any activities until unless that the government will pay the incentive to the Asha. It depends. Some districts, some PCCC. I can't mention the names of the district and the names of the PCCC because so many PC in the states, and it depends. Some of them it depend. Still pending 10 months, 9 months, 6 months, 5 months. So even though they make a release of the payment, but some of the Asha they got 150, 200 rupees, which is not valuable only for them. What is the reason behind not receiving incentives? Actually, I've received the answer from National Mission Health Mission from statutory only, from the MD, that actually they have just changed the way they transact the payment of the Asha. They've changed from the Asha apps. Maybe they've changed the technical, the system. So maybe they have a problem with that. But then I hope and we believe the Asha, the whole Meghalaya of Asha only, we believe that within 1 month they can make it right, that issue. But then it doesn't mean that the whole 7 months, 8 months will take time for them to make it right for that. So maybe they don't take it they just take it lightly, or so, we don't know. But then the problem of that we don't know exactly. But then we have received the answer that just because they changed the system of the payment only. But then doesn't mean that it's 7 months, 11 months for the Asha that will find problem. They cannot survive only that small incentives. Some of them Asha, total of Asha in the states around a month. Some of them 10 months, some of them 11 months, some of them 9 months, some of them 5 months or so. But then it should be uniformity. We must take the total numbers of the Asha workers in the states is around 7,000 plus. I cannot say exactly, but 7,080 plus something. The incentives is from the central itself, not from the state. The honorarium is from the state. So maybe it's from the state. It's okay. It's still okay. But then from the central, it like still pending. Like those months that I've mentioned to you.
So in case of emergencies or urgencies, sometimes like will you receive work?
That is depend on the Asha individually. See, in like the Khasi people, maybe in the Asha and the state only, some of them they are willing to do emergency like in case of like some of the pregnant women, they are supposed to delivery, I mean to take them to the hospital. Some of them they took them to the hospital for accompanying them, but some of the Asha depends on the individual Asha only. So I cannot say because this is the decision of the whole state only. So I can't say because it depends on the individual uh, mindset only. So, but then mostly the Asha, if the neighbors they really need their presence, of course they do it. But then this right for this like we will not go to the activities that I'm supposed to select. What we mean say if Asha they used to go and uh, take the take the checkup for this. I mean they have to go. They have to go to and visit to them for those small baby like within 1.5 months. They have to go for 7 visit for those things. They will not go anymore. Of people, of course it will affect if it is like stay if around 1 month. It really affect especially the birth certificate for those who delivered the baby like home delivery. That means it really affect if it take for 1 month. If this strike will go for 1 month, it really affect the people. I mean the baby like about the birth certificate. But then if only 1 week 2 weeks, that's still okay, I think.